You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this number, this phrase in English correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English that is confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you want to learn from. 500 is how it's usually pronounced. 500. 500 number. How to pronounce in English 500. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.